Hello, I'm going to work some more on my face. So we can start up here and just move that around over here, the temples. Then right in here, push, and then go to the eye socket. Kind of distorts my vision, so I'll just kind of look up so you can see. Get right in the socket. Feels really good. It's amazing the tension that relieves out of it. I'll just close my eyes on this one. And then you can hold it right there. That area is super tender. That helps relieve the sinuses. And then you can just go around like this. Push. Do that again. Up. And they're done.